Yep.
There we go. Hello, Dr. Caesar. This is Lonnie Reed. And this is my reaction paper, although it's not really a paper, it's more of an interactive, per se, interactive video. And I will be uploading this video to YouTube so you can watch it and grade it accordingly. And so, the purpose of this reaction video is to describe to you 3 aspects of the class and tell you what I like about each aspect and what I don't like about it. And so, what I'll start off with is the syllabus. And so, basically, the syllabus in the class, where do I begin? It's very thick. I mean, it's the biggest syllabus I've ever seen in my life. But that's not a bad thing, though. It's filled with a lot of information, a lot of amazing, interesting information, and it's probably something I'll hold on to for the rest of my life because it's like sort of a reference guide that I can use in a lot of situations, And I've always, although I don't want to become a pastor, that's something that, I always wanted to at least preach a sermon at least one time in my life, and it seemed like that'd be a good reference. And what I don't like about it is just that I would say it's a little bit disorganized, and not so much the content, but more of the dates on when stuff is due. Like, that's in the beginning of the chapter. There's no clear, concise dates in it, and so that's a little confusing for me. But other than that, the syllabus is great. Again, it's a really big syllabus, but that's not a problem at all. Next would be the quizzes. I love the way you score. I think it's great. I think all teachers should score that way. The whole 1, 2, 3 system. 3 is 150%. 2 is 100%. 1 is 50%. It's great. It gives you a little leeway. If you're not able to fully study what you want, you can still miss a couple and still get a 2. So I think that system is great. On the other hand, with such a system that gives us so much leeway, that gives you more leeway to go as hard as you want. So the quizzes can be quite challenging, and there's really no clear-cut format on how the quizzes are going to be each day. So it's a little confusing on how you're supposed to study. And so I mean, they're good quizzes, just challenging. But again, your grading system makes up for it, so no complaints here. And the last thing I have to talk about is the group project. A lot of classes do group projects, and I personally see nothing wrong with group projects. I enjoy them. I'm a people person. I love talking to people. So, this class, I'm glad that we got the chance